Did you know that the fastest recorded speed of a sneeze is 100 miles per hour? That's faster than a cheetah sprinting at full speed. This surprising fact highlights the incredible power of our body's reflexes. When you sneeze, your body is expelling irritants from your nose or throat, and it does so with remarkable force. This speed is not just a quirky detail. It's a testament to the efficiency of our immune system. Next time you sneeze, remember you're momentarily faster than a cheetah. Like, or comment and subscribe for more fun facts.